Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are finally going to be installing all of the carbon fiber parts that have been sitting in my garage for quite some time now. These are all from German Car Accessories and I'm really excited to install these today. As you guys can see, the car has been fully taken apart to be wrapped recently, and I figured there is no better time to install a bunch of new carbon parts than when it's already taken apart. So that's what we're gonna do today. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys another little overview of everything that's gonna go on the car today. So everything from German Car Accessories, we have the OEM style carbon side skirts. We have the CSL style kidney grille. We have the 3-piece V-style front lip. We have the PSM style trunk spoiler. And then finally we have, what are these called? These are just like the replacements for the sides of the diffuser on the bumper. I don't remember exactly what they're called on the website, but these are gonna replace those black pieces that you guys see on the left and right side of the bumper. And that is about it for today's install. So typically, the car isn't already a part for these installs, but like I said, because the car is wrapped and we already have the bumper off and we already have everything apart, it makes it a lot easier. So this is more of just a direct install on the part rather than uninstall the stock parts, so. So first thing we're gonna be doing while we have the bumper off, and right here is the grill. So I'm gonna show you guys how I get that done. Just grill, and this is common sense with it already taken apart like this. You just set it in there and put the clips where they need to go and the tabs. So as you guys can see, all the little tabs on the side, we're just gonna kind of push them where they need to go. So as you guys can see, all of those little clips are in. You can show a little close up so you know what it's supposed to look like. Here is the front reveal.
It looks fucking sick.
Thanks for your commentary.
Sick.
All right, okay, so we're gonna lay it back down and then put the wiring harness back in. And you obviously have the camera. Goes in this hole. And then obviously this goes in here, and that clicks, and then we have these two sensors, one facing this way, and then we have this one. And then because this is not obviously stock anymore, we are not using these anymore, and we're gonna zip tie them through here. So I'm gonna lose that first and then tighten them. Okay. Now with everything all done inside the front bumper, we're gonna put it on the car. To put the bumper back on, you guys just need to repeat what you took off. So first I'm starting with these bolts in the front. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, next course of action, we officially got the bumper on with the grill. So next we are going to do the 3-piece V-style front lip. So we're gonna do the middle piece first and then the sides and go from there. This lip is actually held up by this tape, obviously, and then you just use the same bolts that were on the car before and reuse them. Next step, what we did with the first middle piece is just taped it there. It's not bolted in yet, but it's lined up with the holes, obviously. And then we're gonna go ahead and put these ones on and put the tape on and then bolt it on. So that one is taped on there, and then gonna move on to the right side. All right, guys, so we're having some issue pushing the bumper on to make it match the holes. So this is gonna be a 2-person job, and he's gonna push it and I'm gonna put it in the core. Okay, ready? I'm ready. There.
All right, good.
Ow. I'm so sorry. Ow. I hit my head.
All right, that was calm.
No, that was really hard. Oh my god, that was so hard. Oh my god. Okay. Where's the bolt?
I got it.
Oh, that doesn't feel good. I'm gonna have a concussion. As you guys can see, here's the progress so far, and it looks really fucking good. So now with the front lip complete, we are moving on to the back. So these are those 2 pieces I was talking about for the diffuser. So these are gonna go over here and basically cover all the blue that you see. So these you can replace to be carbon from the black stock ones. So that's what I did. And we're gonna install those. And these are pretty simple. They have the clips on the top. We're just gonna push those in, and then the clips on the bottom. All right, now with the front clips on, we're gonna move on and do the clips underneath. It looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom, and then we'll be done with the left side. We're just using the ones that were already on the car, the little clips. The left side, moving on to the right. We are back. So push these in. So that is a wrap for that install. Now we're gonna move on to the trunk spoiler. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am just taking a microfiber and some alcohol to clean the surface off, and then we're gonna just stick the spoiler on there since it's literally just 3M. What? Right, so here's finished product. As you guys saw, we ended up just like taking the backing of the tape off and laying it on the car. This fits really freaking good, and it lines up with the car really well, so it's pretty easy. You can't really mess it up. All right, and then here's the finished PSM style spoiler on the car. And I wanted to show you guys from this angle because it looks a lot different, and I'm obsessed. Okay, last but not least, we're gonna do the carbon side skirts, and just to give you guys an idea, I can't even talk anymore. That's why, because it's fucking late as fuck. To give you guys an idea of what is going on right now, been working on the car. It is 12:07 a.m. and last night we were here until 1:30 a.m. trying to get this car done. So I'm dying. But very last thing, finally, side skirts. Right, so for the side skirts, they come with the plastic rivets in this bag, and then we're gonna just put this puppy on there. For the side skirt, you have these tabs on the top, just like what we did in the back, and you just push that on the top, and then you're gonna have the plastic rivets underneath the car. So first, you can pop this bad boy on there. Next, what we're doing, putting these on the bottom, you guys will see. But I'm gonna go to the other side and pop the other one in so you guys can get a visual so I can be looking. What? Okay everyone, here is the final product from last night. Obviously it is the next day, but I just wanted to do a little outro for you guys and show you the final look of everything. So I guess to start off, here is the finished look for the front grille and then the 3-piece lip. And then, moving on, we have the OEM style carbon side skirts, which we ended up using a rivet gun to finish the bottoms of those. So those are completely installed. Next, we have the carbon fiber spoiler. And then, last but not least, we have I still don't know what they call these pieces. I'll have to look it up on the website or I'll put it in my description, but these in carbon. And I guess that wraps it up for today's video. So thank you guys for watching and bye.